Hello everybody, today I'm at the Bukit Bintang MRT. I'm going to explore a few malls here. But the first one with Pavilion. And I'm using a token, so we're going out from here. It's a bit cold. It's actually quite cool at the MRT, especially this station. So just wear comfortable clothing to keep you warm, especially at night. But now it's like 5:30 p.m. My last day in KL, Malaysia. And today I decided to visit the top malls. Yesterday I visited the Ghost Mall, so it's a bit of contrast, right? After visiting Ghost Mall, then you want to visit the top malls. And if you're sick of the top malls, you want to visit Ghost Mall. If you're single, you want to get attached, get a boyfriend, girlfriend, get married. When you get married, you want to be single. So you think life is kind of irony, right? Because human's desire cannot be satisfied. So there's always unlimited things we want. Once we eat chicken rice, we want something else. The good thing about coming to Malaysia, besides the street food, is the sunset is quite long. I mean, it's quite late, the sunset time, about, I think same as Singapore, about 7 p.m. So we have lots of daytime right here. But in Ho Chi Minh City, where I just visited, they have sunset. The sun turns dark at 5:45 p.m. So we have arrived at Bukit Bintang. Very bustling. This is the Orchard Road of Singapore, and there's a mall called Lock 10. So this is the exit D, and they're selling some socks here. Imagine on weekends it's even more crowded, and there's a museum illusion here. Actually, it's a ticketed one. The entry, I went there before 2 years ago. About I think 50 or 60 ringgit, I can't remember, or slightly more. It's quite fun, worth experience. But you want it free, right? You can watch it on my channel. So we are 300 meters away from the Pavilion Mall. There's some kind of cookie egg tart. Care Bear Dubai Chewy cookie. Chinese roti. I see this at the Bukit Bintang area also. Many. The red berry is not commando, it's a security. Oh, do I cross over? Wait. Okay, I saw it already. Pavilion, one of the biggest top malls here, Bukit Bintang. There are many kind of taxi here. I think the red one is the official one, but just now I saw a blue one. We have an iconic waterfall right here. At night, I think there will be some lights. And from here, you can walk to many places. I think Petronas Tower also can. I think here is also a photo spot. Actually, I'm here not just to do a video, but because my DJI mini tunic has some problem. The receiver has no light. I connected to another phone, same thing. So we are going to the main entrance. Wow, this is serious distance. I think it's good country for the mall.